affiliates. This is really important because we want to make sure that everyone's on the same page. We want to make sure that they're primed to help you launch tomorrow, which is going to be the last day, day 30. So you want to remind them that the launch day is tomorrow and ask them if they need anything from you. So communicate with them. They've already agreed to promote your product. You've given them a series of free content. They're going to be happy to work with you, happy to promote you, because they know that you're legit, you're the real deal, and you know that they know that you have their audience's best interests at heart because you have done the follow-up with their audience every time someone's commented or liked or interacted with the content that you created. You've been there. You've answered questions. You've thanked them for their engagement. So the influencers you're working with will see that, they'll recognize that, they will appreciate it. So when you offer or when you ask them if they need anything from you, in particular, you want to suggest Facebook Lives and emails. You can even go so far as to say, do you need banner ads? Do you need extra copy? And then you can just go into canva.com, create those banners really quick. But do offer to do Facebook Lives. Do offer to write emails. This is going to be very beneficial for them and for you. So be there, be present. Make sure that they are supported with them helping you. And then make it easy for them to promote you. So that's why we offer them additional material. So we remove any kind of doubt from their mind that working with you might not be in their best interests or the best interests of the audience. So we touch base with them, remind them that the launch is tomorrow, and you're going to be nervous about this, and that's fine. Ask them if there's anything they need from you. Offer to do Facebook Lives. You can do split screen Facebook Lives. You can write emails. You can offer banner ads, that kind of thing. And you make it easy for them to promote you. It kind of becomes a no-brainer for them. And day 29 is going to be nerve-wracking for you because launch is tomorrow. And it's kind of, I know how it feels when I've launched and I've worked towards this event, launch day, and you're not sure if it's going to work. You're not sure if anything's going to go wrong. Things generally will go wrong a little bit, but that's fine. Some people won't be able to access the download. I'll speak more about this tomorrow, the kind of problems that you might encounter. They're not major. They're not going to break your business or your website or anything like that. It's fine. So, launch day tomorrow. I hope you're feeling excited about it.